Tank 12. Many ship owners having ships in the Atlantic Ocean are thinking, also Pacific coastal with America, are thinking, why should I have ASEAN crew on board these tanker ships? Well, the first thing, dear ship owner, is to change the flag. If you have European flags, go away, run away towards others. Why? For example, Panama, Venezuela, they have very good tanker officers and cadets and all types of ratings specialized because there is a lot of petrol crossing by that area. Venezuela, Panama, strategic tanker area. Also now we have from Guyana, Trinidad, these many new exporting countries, and of course we have USA exporting gas like never before, and that area really is concentrating a lot of trade. So why not the tanker owner think about Panama, Venezuela, mixed with Peruvian, Honduran, Guatemala, El Salvador. All nationalities around are really excellent crew management pools that can grow, and many ship owners are thinking having cadets from those countries. Yes, why? Because Latinos are excellent for top positions. They have this natural gift to go all the way up. We know some ASEAN countries don't have this management, natural decision makers. So it is really an opportunity today to think about the flag, change it. Just you have Panama, Liberia, Bahama, Bermuda, Marshall. These flags are very friendly for the tanker trades. And number two, just think about this Latino crews, because some like with English, others without English are talking about 26% more competitive. Many Spanish ship owners do have these Cuban and Venezuelan. Cuba, if you have US visa requirement, forget about it. But there are tanker ships in the Atlantic that don't go or trade with the USA. For example, European trades, Strait of Gibraltar, bunker ships. So we have many opportunities, and then you can think about with or without English. It is a great opportunity to expand with Candina, because others are going to go crazy regarding these ASEAN flight tickets and ASEAN not vacancies on board the planes for travel. So think different, dear ship owner, and let's do this tank 50 ships today. We can. Thank you. Bye.